You have a 9 to 5 job now, you don't want to quit because you don't want to take the risk of losing your monthly salary or your weekly salary, because you're going to need to pay your rent, you're going to need to pay your bills, you're going to need to pay for your grocery store. This video is for you. I'm going to give you 6 side hustles that's gonna make you earn extra income or probably leave your job once you're successful. I'm not gonna give you any side hustle that requires an investment, that requires a budget. All the side hustles I'm gonna give you, you can start them with $0. The last one, number 6, is gonna be the best, so try to watch the video till the end. Number 1, freelancing. I already did freelancing, and the platform I did freelancing on is Fiverr, and I've already made about $8,000 in just few months. So you can do. Fiverr is a free platform to join and a free platform to post your gig or your listing. Now you're gonna tell me, but what can I sell in this Fiverr? Fiverr is a services freelancing platform. You can sell everything you want, everything you can imagine. If you are good at graphic design, you can sell your services about graphic design. If you are a developer, you can sell services related to development. If you're good at translation, you can sell your services to translate. For example, from English to French, from French to English. And if you don't have any skill, if you believe you don't have any skill at all, you can sell your voice over. People gonna give you a transcript, they're gonna give you a text, and you're just gonna record your voice, so you're gonna sell your voice. This way you're gonna make some extra money per month while you're working on your 9 to 5 job. You can do it before working or after working, and it's one of the easiest way to make money online. Number 2, and I've already did that, sell physical product on platforms such as eBay and Amazon. I already started with eBay by reselling all the gadgets I don't need in my student room in 2010 when I was student in Laval University in Canada. So you can do everything that you can find in your house, in your home, that you no longer need, resell it on those platforms like eBay and Amazon. For example, you have an old smartphone that you don't use, sell it for $50. Sell everything you don't need, gather the money, buy products in bulks and resell them on eBay or on Amazon. Buy something for $1, resell it for $2, and repeat the process. You can find suppliers by going to Google and search in your area. For example, someone is selling pet shop gadgets for bulk, buy them in bulk and resell them for profit on eBay or Amazon. Number 3, online service and microtasks. There are many free websites. You can just fill some surveys and you're gonna earn money from that. The other thing is microtasks. Some people that are looking for microtasks online. It could be filling forms, putting comments, engaging with people, etc. so you can make an extra income. This won't make you rich, of course, but you're gonna have some extra income along with your 9 to 5 job, and it doesn't require any particular skill or any technical knowledge. It's gonna take you between 2 to 3 hours per day, and you can arrive at couple hundreds per month easily. Number 4, delivery service. If you have a car, after you finish your job, you can start doing delivery service. There are many companies looking for a delivery service, so you're gonna earn some money per hours and you're gonna be tipped also. So this is a great way to make some extra money while you keep your 9 to 5 job. And it's easy job. It just requires you to have a car. Number 5, online tutoring. If you have an expertise in some field, you can offer online tutoring. I have already did that. Since I was student in mechanical engineering, I have some knowledge in mathematics. So I used to sell my services to help students perform their mathematics knowledge in exchange of money. So you're gonna exchange hours for dollars. Anything that you master, that you believe you have the skills for, that you can offer some students tutoring, you can exchange your hours for dollars and you can do it from home while keeping your 9 to 5 job, and it's easy job too. Now the best one, number 6, create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is one of the best ways to make money online. Now you're gonna tell me, but gonna be the topic of my YouTube channel. It could be anything that you master. In my example, I master development, I master online businesses, and I talk about the ways to make money online. I offer my service as an entrepreneurship. I make videos about mindset, everything I learned in my career. So you can do, you master something, you have knowledge in something, you can start talking about it. You can also share your story. Any topic you can do, you will find your audience. Someone, somewhere in the world would be interested in your video. And it doesn't require anything. With just your smartphone, you can turn the camera on and start recording. And there are some free editing tools like CapCut, which I use for video editing. And if you don't master video editing, you can just record the video and just upload it on YouTube. And once you get the knowledge, once you get the budget, once you get the experience, you can start video editing. And people are making really good money. A few years ago, or probably 2 years ago, I had less than 1,000 subscribers. Now I have 46,000 subscribers, and it's kept growing. So YouTube is one of the best ways to make money online if you know how to do it. Just pick a topic, start your YouTube channel, start making videos, upload them, and you will find your audience. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you got value from it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. Till the next video, peace.